Welcome to Classic Car Corner. We've got a treat for you. 20 classic cars listed for sale at incredibly affordable prices. Keep watching to discover some real bargains.
Number 1.
The 1962 Studebaker Lark Rat Rod, priced at $3,000, offers an affordable entry into the world of classic cars. This vehicle has proven to be very dependable, featuring a 170 cubic inch inline-six engine paired with a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. It runs and shifts excellently, making it a solid option for someone seeking a functioning rat rod. Recent updates include brand new tires, a new battery, and a completely overhauled brake system. While the car is in overall decent shape, there are a couple of weak spots in the floor, but nothing that significantly impacts its performance or drivability. This Studebaker presents a great opportunity for someone looking for a vintage project car that's already roadworthy. At this price point, it's an excellent chance to get into the classic car scene without breaking the bank.
Number 2.
The 1965 Chevrolet Malibu 383, priced at $9,500, is an iconic muscle car featuring a powerful 383-stroker engine, offering an impressive blend of vintage style and modern performance. Built by the legendary car builder Tony Adkins, this car delivers over 450 horsepower, making it a true powerhouse on the road. While the exterior may show signs of age, don't let it fool you. This car is mechanically sound and fires up without hesitation, ready for action. It's a perfect candidate for restoration, with the potential to bring this classic back to its former glory. Whether you're a collector, an enthusiast, or someone who loves the thrill of a muscle car, this Malibu won't disappoint. It's a rare opportunity to own a piece of American automotive history, with all the performance you'd expect from a high-performance 383 engine.
Number 3.
The 1963 Chevrolet Impala SS, priced at $10,000 firm, offers a solid platform for classic car enthusiasts. Equipped with a 350 Vortec engine and automatic transmission, this Impala runs and drives well, providing a reliable starting point for restoration or customization. The vehicle comes with the replacement front fender, ready for installation. While the floors have been patched, the car will need additional work on the braces. However, the trunk and frame are solid, making it a sturdy candidate for those looking to bring this classic back to life. With its iconic style and dependable Vortec engine, this Impala SS is a great find for someone looking to own a piece of Chevrolet history. The price is firm at $10,000 with no trades accepted.
Number 4.
The 1965 Buick LeSabre Custom Sedan 4D, priced at $4,200, is a well-maintained classic car that has received several upgrades over the years. The seller has installed a new dual exhaust, along with updated springs, shocks, and completed work on both the front and rear ends. The engine and transmission are original, and the car starts, runs, and drives great. While it does need a heater core replacement, which the seller may address soon, the car is overall in good condition. Some minor body work, interior repairs, and finishing touches are needed, but with a little attention, this Buick has the potential to shine as a fantastic classic. The seller is willing to provide additional videos and photos upon request, but encourages interested buyers to see the car in person to truly appreciate its value.
Number 5.
The 1973 Chevrolet Caprice Classic, priced at $12,500, is a well-preserved vintage car ready to drive home. It features a small block 400 engine, power disc brakes, and a tilt steering wheel, providing both power and comfort. The car is equipped with air conditioning, making it ideal for long cruises. With 4 new tires recently installed, this Caprice is in great running condition, allowing for immediate use without major repairs. Its overall well-maintained state makes it an appealing option for anyone looking to own a classic car that's ready for the road.
Number 6.
The 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle Hardtop, priced at $10,000, is a clean, 2-door classic with a V8 setup and a 4-speed transmission option. The interior is in excellent condition, with nice carpet, a perfect dash pad, and clean chrome. The body is also in great shape, with solid floor pans and no rust, though there are a few minor blemishes on the paint. All the original trim is intact, making it a visually appealing vehicle. While there's no engine or transmission currently installed, the seller is offering a good-running 350 engine and automatic transmission at the asking price. For an additional $500, the 4-speed transmission is available. If no buyer meets the asking price, the seller plans to install the drivetrain and raise the price to $15,000. This Chevelle also features ladder bar air shocks in the rear and a 12-bolt rear end with 3.73 gears. The car comes with a clean title and has been owned by the same person since 1994, making it a solid investment for someone looking to complete the project or customize it further.
Number 7.
The 1962 Ford Fairlane, priced at $13,500, is a well-maintained classic in excellent driver condition. It's powered by a freshly rebuilt 289 engine paired with an overhauled automatic transmission, ensuring a smooth and reliable ride. Recent upgrades include new tires, a new exhaust system, a fully redone interior, and fresh paint, along with numerous other new parts. While not a show car, this Fairlane is ideal for someone seeking a vintage vehicle that's ready to hit the road. Located in Morganton, North Carolina, it's a great opportunity for a buyer looking for a classic car with modern updates at a reasonable price.
Number 8.
The 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, priced at $12,000, is a classic muscle car with a 350 engine and 4-barrel carburetor. Stored for the past 8 years, it requires new tires and a fresh coat of paint to restore its full potential. Located in Wayne, Ohio, this Monte Carlo presents a great opportunity for someone willing to put in a bit of work to revive this iconic vehicle. With its solid foundation and powerful engine, it's a promising candidate for a restoration project or simply a classic car enthusiast looking for a new project.
Number 9.
The 1972 Chevrolet SS, priced at $15,500, is a fully built drag car designed for performance enthusiasts. It features a 358 engine with 11:1 compression, a 2-speed transmission, and a 4.11 heavy-duty rear end. The car is equipped with a full roll bar, Caltrac suspension, line lock, an MSD ignition system with a 6+ box, and a cowl induction hood. New slicks have been installed, ensuring the car is race-ready. This Nova is ideal for someone looking for a serious drag racer, offering both power and safety enhancements to dominate the track.
Number 10.
The 1962 Mercury Monterey Custom, priced at $3,000, is a solid restoration project offered as a roller without an engine or transmission. It comes with a complete interior, making it a great starting point for a rebuild. While it lacks a front bumper, all other parts are included, ensuring you have what you need to restore this classic. With an Indiana title, this Monterey presents an opportunity for someone looking to invest time into a vintage car. Its solid structure makes it an appealing choice for restoration enthusiasts or collectors interested in bringing this classic back to life. The seller is open to selling or trading, adding flexibility to the deal.
Number 11.
The 1967 Ford Country sedan wagon, priced at $15,500, is an excellent opportunity for those in search of a classic, well-preserved vehicle. This particular model is a survivor-quality car, meaning it has remained largely original over the years. The body is super solid, clean, and straight, with only minimal rust beginning to form in the weep hole for the spare tire. Previously owned by a senior female and now held by a seller looking to downsize, this wagon has been well cared for throughout its life. The car has a good title with no hidden issues, making it a trustworthy purchase for any classic car enthusiast. Located in Franklin, Tennessee, this Ford Country sedan is ready for inspection or purchase, with the seller asking for $15,500 or the best offer. No trades will be considered. This is a rare find for anyone interested in a vintage vehicle with a solid foundation.
Number 12.
The 1926 Ford Model T, priced at $18,500, offers a rare opportunity to own a nearly 100-year-old original steel body hot rod jalopy. Unlike fiberglass kit cars, this is a genuine vintage build, crafted by a local hot rodder in the late 1950s. It features a rebuilt 59 ABV 8 flathead engine with dual carbs, headers, and a rebuilt 3-speed transmission. The car also boasts a banjo rear, 1940 Ford steering box and column, hydraulic brakes, and 1939 Ford clutch pedals, all mounted on a Model A chassis. With a 1940 Ford front suspension and axle, 15-inch wide white walls, and a steel 1932 grille, this jalopy is both stylish and functional, running and driving great. It comes with a clear title in the seller's name and is located in Franklin. This is a perfect candidate to either keep the Model T body or swap it with a Model A Roadster or coupe body. The asking price is $18,500 for this unique piece of hot rod history.
Number 13.
The 1950 Oldsmobile Holiday Coupe, priced at $18,000, presents a great opportunity for collectors or restorers. Appraised at $20,000 last year, and with the market strengthening, this vehicle offers good value. The car belonged to the seller's father and has been sitting for a few years. It was repainted during that time, but the seller has limited knowledge beyond what's listed in the appraisal report. Included in the sale is a second car, intended for parts, though it lacks a title. The seller was informed that it runs and drives, but cannot provide further details. Interested buyers are encouraged to view the appraisal for more specifics.
Number 14.
The 1954 Lincoln Capri, priced at $26,000, is a striking example of mid-century American automotive design. With only 64,860 miles, this mint green coupe features twin headlights seamlessly integrated into the front fenders, a wraparound windshield, and graceful tail fins, giving it a timeless and elegant appearance. The interior is equally luxurious, with white leather upholstery, plush seating, and refined trim. The vintage dashboard is complete with a period-correct radio and clock, adding to the nostalgic charm of this classic car. This Lincoln Capri is not only a beautiful collectible but also a piece of automotive history. Its combination of vibrant color, elegant design, and luxurious features make it a highly desirable car for collectors and enthusiasts alike.
Number 15.
The 1972 Buick Skylark Limited Coupe 2D, priced at $16,500, is a pristine example of an all-original classic. Powered by a 350 engine with a 2-barrel carburetor, this Skylark starts, runs, shifts, and sounds excellent. It features newer paint and pinstripes, with a vinyl top in perfect condition. There are no signs of rust on the body or chassis, and the interior is flawless, making it a standout in terms of both aesthetics and preservation. It sits on 14-inch Buick wheels with well-maintained tires. Located in Franklin, this car is ready to drive and enjoy, offering a solid investment for any classic car enthusiast.
Number 16.
The 1974 Alfa Romeo Spider 2000 Roadster convertible, priced at $17,000, is a stunning example of a classic Italian sports car. This enthusiast-owned second-generation Spider is highly sought after for its performance and desirability. Under the hood, it boasts an all-aluminum twin-cam 2.0L engine with original Spica fuel injection, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, providing a smooth and powerful driving experience. This Spider is in exceptional condition with gorgeous paint, an excellent original interior, and superb mechanical performance. It has been fully inspected by a mechanic and runs flawlessly, with a tight suspension, good brakes, and smooth steering. While everything functions as expected, the tachometer does not accurately display RPMs while driving. A brand new convertible top has just been installed, along with numerous new OEM parts, including interior door panels, a shift knob, and exterior door handles. The car rides on magnesium 14-inch wheels with Michelin tires, and recent service includes new fluids, filters, and spark plugs. Kept clean and detailed in a garage in Willoughby, Ohio, this Alfa Romeo Spider is a head-turning classic, perfect for any collector or enthusiast.
Number 17.
The 1973 Cadillac Eldorado Coupe 2D, priced at $17,800, is a fantastic opportunity to own one of the last of the true convertibles. This classic Eldorado is powered by a massive 500 cubic inch 8.2L V8 engine and has 98,000 actual miles, not rolled over. It runs great and provides the quintessential 1970s Cadillac driving experience with power and comfort. The seller is also open to trades, so feel free to make an offer if you have something interesting. This is a rare chance to own a piece of American automotive history.
Number 18.
The 1964 Pontiac Bonneville Superior Coach Rescue Ambulance, priced at $13,000, is a rare and unique vehicle with only 58,496 miles. Powered by a 389 motor and a roto-hydromatic transmission, this classic ambulance runs and drives but has minor age-related issues. Stored indoors since the late 1980s, it has undergone some interior and exterior restoration. It's a true eye-catcher and a testament to early EMS development, making it a one-of-a-kind collectible. The sale includes some first aid equipment, such as a stretcher. Located in York, Pennsylvania, the ambulance comes with a clean Maryland title, and no trades are being considered.
Number 19.
The 1956 Renault 4CV, priced at $2,600, is a mostly complete project car with additional Renault Dauphine body parts. The car may feature the higher horsepower Billancourt Vento engine, producing 35 HP instead of the standard 21, although this hasn't been confirmed. The body has dents, with rust present on the doors and floor that will need repair. Included in the sale are clean Dauphine hood, rear doors, and a front passenger door, though some window parts on the 4CV are missing or broken. The car comes without a title but has old Wisconsin plates. Ideal for restoration or parts, this Renault offers a unique opportunity for vintage car enthusiasts. The seller is also open to selling the Dauphine parts separately.
Number 20.
The 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, priced at $16,500 or best offer, is a powerful and well-maintained classic. It features a built 402 big block engine, paired with a built 350 transmission and a factory 411 rear end, making it a strong performer. Additional highlights include a B&M floor shifter, bucket seats, headers, and new mufflers, all contributing to its smooth operation. The car also comes with new tires and a clean title. Described as running like a champ, this Monte Carlo is a great opportunity for anyone seeking a classic muscle car with solid upgrades. That wraps up our look at these incredible budget classic cars. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share your favorites in the comments. Hit subscribe and the bell icon to stay updated with more classic car finds. Thanks for watching.